Well, here we are. Tyres on my shoulder. Had to go change them in the wild for you guys. But I've got to wait for Tyre because he's going to join me. So while I do that, I'll show you the process of me getting these. Taking a rainy walk up to Halfords. It's lovely at the back. Look at it. That's the tallest commercial tower building in Kettering. The BT building. See our destination. Section. This is the Carrera. Tons of tubes. I only came for inner tubes. There we go. Shot done. I only came in there for an inner tube. Whoops. Yo.
Look at Mr. Tyre Man.
You good? Yeah. Spotted that. Bit I want to get to. Yeah, neither have I. That's why I want to use it. What do you mean? The whole thing's a hill.
That's not.
That's what Kettering is. You ever looked at it topographically?
No.
Probably.
Why do people have to bet these cars so fucking extremely noisy? Why can't they walk in the first fucking line?
Because windy windy is fun. The scale of this. I have a new chair. Then we can pull. I remembered something this time to stir it with. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ta-da! Easy. That's easy.
with the magic of editing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but it's the chain and the fucking. the gears. Fucking hell.
The cheers and the game. Back wheel's way easier. There's something pretty cool down this trail, I'm pretty sure. Like an old bridge from when it was being quarried. That is down here, isn't it, Torren?
What?
The old bridge
Yeah.
that we saw, the quarry bridge. I'll show you that in a second. This is the old quarry bridge. I'm pretty sure this is what the workers used to take to get out across into the main part of the quarry. But as you can see, this was also all quarried. All of it. But this is the spot you take to get out now. But it used to be here and it lines up perfectly on the other side with the way you get into the main part of the quarry. That's a little known fact. Also, another perfect row of trees. And on this side it's not there. Yeah. Well, this video wasn't much. A little bit of exploration. Mostly changing tyres. But hey, it was still a good day, I think. What do you think?
Yeah.
A good day?
Yeah, it's been nice.
Chill one. The chill one's always nice. So I'll see you all next time. Make sure hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye bye. This relic.